All right, let's walk through what Hacker Sidekick looks like when you first get in and some of the new features we just shipped. So you've logged in. This is what you see. No workspace open yet, just a clean slate. To get started, you want to open a folder. That becomes your workspace. And everything you do in the session is scoped to that directory. Once your workspace is open, you've got the Explorer view on the left side. You can create directories, move files around, manage your project structure right from here. Nothing fancy, it just works the way you'd expect. Now, one of the newer features is workspace indexing. When you open a project, Hacker Sidekick uses our cloud-hosted embeddings model to parse and index your local files. The index itself stays on your machine. This runs in the background. And what it does is speed up processing and cut down on token usage by avoiding unnecessary requests to browse and search through your workspace. The AI already knows what's in your project. You can turn this off at the application level or on a per workspace basis. And if the index ever seems off, you can clear the data and re-index. Up in the top right, that globe icon opens your account portal. You can manage your subscription, billing, and account details from there. Quick note on billing. We just added auto top-up. Your plan comes with a token allowance, and if you burn through it, Hacker Sidekick can automatically top up at a metered rate so you never get cut off mid-engagement. You can even set a spending cap so you stay in control. Back in settings, first we'll check out the connections section. If you're signed into an individual account, this is where you manage the account and log out. Next up, MCP servers. This is where you can view and manage your connected MCP servers. We just shipped some new features here. You can disable individual MCP servers entirely, and you can also toggle auto-approve on a per endpoint basis. So if there's a specific tool you want to be prompted for before it runs, you have that control. Agent Action Auto-Approve is already set to permissive out of the box, but you have full control over what that means. You can choose which actions are auto-approved, add specific terminal commands, even use wildcards. You can also explicitly disallow certain commands. It's worth noting that Hacker Sidekick does not ship with wildcard allow by default. You're choosing what to trust. But if you want, you can add a wildcard to allow all commands. And in the About section, you'll find some additional resources and the option to reset your Hacker Sidekick application back to defaults if you ever need a clean start. Now, in the chat window itself, you'll notice you can choose what mode to operate in. Each mode changes the system prompts along with some settings and behaviors, things like auto-approve thresholds, how the AI asks for consent, and how cautious it is. For example, pen test mode is more cautious because there's greater risk involved. Code review mode is more permissive since you're typically doing non-destructive work. And Hacker Sidekick can automatically switch between modes as appropriate based on what you're doing. Another new feature is model routing. Hacker Sidekick now automatically picks the right AI model for the task. General questions and coding get a fast general purpose model. Offensive security work like exploit development and vulnerability analysis routes to a model that's focused on that domain. You don't have to configure anything, it just happens automatically. To start a fresh chat, just click New Task at the top. And to go back through previous conversations, hit the history icon. Everything is there. So that's the latest Hacker Sidekick. If you want to go deeper on specific use cases and see some of the more exciting ways to use the platform, check out other videos on our YouTube channel. And be sure to subscribe so you get notified when new ones come out. Thanks for watching.